Hi guys, my name is Shirow Kimani. My official names are Shirow Kimani. I don't like using my first name. So today I'm going to be doing a get to know me video, just a few things about myself that you guys probably don't know. I am an alumnus of the Kabare Girls High School, Kirinyaga. What you need to know about Kabare? Githeri is a must, whether it's a national school or not. I think I'm a baker. I think actually that's why probably most of you follow my page. I'm a baker. I love baking. I have a page on Instagram and Facebook known as SheBakes254. SheBakes spelled as S-H-I-I Bakes 254. You can check it out on Instagram and Facebook. Another thing that you didn't know about me, I'm a social worker by profession. I studied development studies and social work, and then I studied community development and social work. So I really love doing community work and rather being at a place where I can impact people. I think I am part of the Mau Arts, which is an art-based organization that uses art as a means of social change and probably part of a larger global network of change makers. Also, I'm an actor myself. I also do production, a lot of production stuff, production manager, production assistant, and sometimes double up as a co-producer. I've been featured on several sets such as Njoroa Uber, Selena, Socialites, Anti-Boss. By the way, we just produced a film that is around Corona, the education on Corona. We have premiered it on YouTube a few days ago. You should go check it out. Just type out the name of Mau Arts on YouTube and you'll find it. Watch the video and probably give me a few comments. An aunt to two nephews and one niece, and probably if the Lord adds us by the end of the year, we shall be celebrating. Anyway, and I love traveling. I love reading. I've picked up reading lately. So I'm basically mostly reading spiritual books and also books about my culture. By the way, I have a baking recipe book that's coming up. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll announce once the ebook is ready so that you guys can probably purchase and improve on your baking. It has a lot of tips on baking and how to improve yourself as a baker, and probably also for guys who might want to come up with a business. I actually train people on baking. I actually come to your house. I train you on how to bake, either for the family setting or rather you want to set up a home baking business. I do that at a small fee, so you can probably hit me up. My details are always in the about info. I have a broken teeth. I broke my teeth in class 8. Gosh, I've never forgotten this guy. Derek Gitao ran after me with that thing, caterpillar, and I fell and I broke my teeth. Probably if there's something you'd want to know about myself which I haven't mentioned, you can just ask me on the comment section and probably I can do a part 2 video on myself. But from now on, I am back. By the way, I know nilikuwa nimeshukua ka short break, lakini nimerudi, and I will be posting a lot of recipes, both baking and probably cooking, and probably also discussing things like travel. By the way, you've noticed I've started posting new travel adventures, so please do subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment, ask a question, and also share this video with somebody else. Invite them to our channel because it's our channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.